proceed straight into the videos, I want you guys to do 3 things for me. I want you guys to hit a like on this video. I want you guys to comment money, right? If you guys can do that, that will be awesome, because it will help more people find this video, and of course it will help boost this video up to the algorithm, and it will help me know the people who are interested in making this money. All right, guys, so something that a lot of people don't know is that 1,000 naira every single day has the ability to change your life. Okay, now let me run some numbers right here. So if you're making 1,000 naira on the side every single day, in a week you're going to be making 7,000 naira. Now it might not be too big, but imagine not doing a lot of work for 1,000 naira, right? Now the good thing is that you can make even more than 1,000 naira. Now you are the only limit to the amount of money you can make doing this. Now without further ado, without wasting your time too much, hope you guys have subscribed to this channel, because it's very essential. And you've hit the follow button, and share this video with a friend who's going to learn it, who's going to learn the secrets to start earning money online. So let's go straight into my computer. Let me show you guys how exactly you can do this. Guys, welcome. What you guys are currently looking at is SideGig. SideGig is, of course, a freelance site for Nigerians where you can make 1,000 naira and above daily doing simple services. So basically, let's just go into the site and see what's all about. So now this button here is if you want to create tasks, or if you want to join as a freelancer. So basically, I want to join as a freelancer. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to click on start earning. Right, so you're going to come in here. You're going to fill all your password and app, and go ahead and go fill all the details here, and you can just go as a freelancer who wants to earn, and then go straight in and start using this app. This app is super simple to use, and of course they pay you in Naira, right? They pay you in Naira, and you get to see other people who's making money from here. This is someone who's making money, thousands of dollars on this app. So you can just do simple services and make a lot of money from this. Now I'm going to show you guys in the next video I'll show you guys how to make money without skills, right? I'm going to show you some websites and apps you can do to start making money free of charge, right? So the next website here is Expert.net. So if you've been on the internet for a while, you've heard of affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing is a way of recommending products, right? It's the act of recommending products and getting paid for it. So I'm just going to show you guys a very simple picture right here, and you can see how affiliate marketing works, right? So basically, here's what it is. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's products through your platform, pretty much. So if you watch like comedy skits, you're going to hear people affiliating for a product, and you hear people say, I'll use my link in the description, blah, 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 something. So once you land on this page, here are products that you can sell, right? Some of these people are willing to share the price. So maybe you think they have to bake like a print with 8 days, and the person shares like 50% with you, and you get 10,000 naira every sale you make, something. So you can make it 50,000, 100,000 every day. So all you do is click on the become an affiliate button, and you easily sign up, and that is it. It's as simple as that. You put in your email and you're in. And now the only thing is that you're going to have to pay, right? There's a fee to pay to become an affiliate, which is just 10,000 naira. But think about it. If you become an affiliate and you pay 10,000 naira, and you do a little bit of tax, you work, you make 2 sales at 10,000 naira commission each, you've gotten your money back. It's that simple. Now the next one on our list is DigiStem, right? I already have an account here, and basically all you have to do is to log in. I think this is my wife. Now, this one here is DigiStem, and this is something I already have an account before time, so I'm going to log in and show you guys how the interface looks like. And of course, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a challenge, which is of course going to be a week as an Espartania affiliate, right? I'm going to do a challenge. It's going to be 1 week as an Espartania affiliate, so you see how much money I eventually make doing that. So we have Flutterwave. All you need to do is to sign up with 5,000 naira, and of course you're a part of the DigiStem platform. So yeah, there's so many ways you guys can make money online, and these are just a few ways you can do that to start making and earning money. 3 of these ways. So if you enjoyed this video, please ensure to leave a like, subscribe, and become a part of the team. Leave every questions you have in the comment section. We're trying to hit 10,000 followers, and I would love you guys to help me be a part of the process. So let's go straight and see you guys in the next video. Ciao.